foreign market crusty. If you examine your crusty kit, you're going to find unremovable green hair dye, a used red nose, and a guidebook on how to capture a monkey. What now? The man they call Mr. Monday Afternoon, Krusty!
Hey, hey! Hi! Now, there are many words for what I'm looking for. Rubles and nimby, but they all mean money, which rhymes with funny, which you can be if you want. I don't care. Just do the Krusty show in your country and send me 10%. Send me another 60%. And 5% more, and you're good.
Nice job, Simpson. You even got my Susie Orman tape unstuck from the cassette player.